Hey everybody, it's actually April 2023. This is the first one of the year. I was able to save up a little bit of money. I got myself a rack grade. Now I heard rumors that they're running out of GI stocks. When I opened this up, I was very surprised at what I found. So it's a beautiful color of the wood. Got your standard stuff, your clip and all that here. See, this is a Springfield, around 645,000. So I think that puts it around 42, I think between May and June. So I just love the wood. I love that old style wood. I don't see any much pitting or anything. I'm going to break it down eventually. I do have under here. There's a Springfield stock. Where's it at? SA with a B underneath. There's a standard P with a circle, cartouche. I believe that's the only markings I see on the stock. I love the color. And so far I haven't seen any pitting. But I'll break it down, take a quick look at everything. Anyway, they said this is my April 2003 M1 Garand from the CMP. It's a rack grade. So for what I see, I'm very happy. I'll do a quick breakdown. See if there's any pitting underneath on the receiver or anywhere else. I'll say so far right now I'm happy with it. Yeah, let's just break it down real quick. Alright, let's do a quick breakdown of this. So like this little tool. Got a Miller's trigger assembly. This part Springfield. Hammer is Winchester. The frame part is Springfield. A little tight, not too tight. So the only marks I saw on this was that P mark and the Springfield mark. That's the only thing I really see on it. I don't really see much pinning at all. I'm really happy with this. Springfield uprod. Yeah, so far it's real nice. Looks like they have a new spring and everything. I always find out sometimes these things just pop out so easily and other times they give you a hard time. Oh, there you go. This op rod looks new also. A lot of times you'll have pitting when your op rod's right down here, but this thing looks brand new. Still don't see any markings on the barrel. Now, I do have a little bit of pitting here on the gas part. tight. There you go. Yes, it's the only thing I so far see that has pitting on it. And clean it up easily. So far the barrel looks good. I don't think there's a retaining. There's not a retaining pin in here. Not that I see. It's a little tight though. Come on. There you go. Yeah, there's no retaining pin in here. That's alright, I got another one. It slides off nice and easily. Now they said I had a 51 Springfield 51 barrel. There's the markers of these. I've never seen that smallly stamped. Yeah, right here. Very small. Like I say, got no pinning on the barrel. Now they didn't give me a throat reading or anything like that. I'll take a look at that in a second. Got a Winchester bolt. Front pin looks good. Bolt looks a little worn, but still looks good. All right, let me get my gauges out, and I'll check the muzzle and the throat. See what we got. All right, got my little gauges for the muzzle and throat. And slide this in, just tap it in. No, he's rotated like 3 different spots. Just tapping in lightly until it goes. Now this thing is reading, say, almost like a 3.5. It's a heavy 3. Let's see what we got here. This one's reading about a 4. So I got a 4 throat. 3.5, I say 3.5 muzzle. Hard to tell. I can't really see the. I get a light down there. Take a look at the rifling. But for a rack grade, I'm very happy. So the only real pitting part was on this gas tube here. The rest I thought is great. I love the wood. This looks new. This looks new. I say receiver. It's got a little bit of pitting like right here, but that's hardly nothing compared, what I think of rack rated. There's a tiny bit down here maybe, but that's very superficial. So I'm very happy with this. I'm going to do a quick cleaning. Go over everything once. Get ready to take it to the range, and after the range day, I'll do another quick clean and put it in the safe. All right, thanks for watching.